Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of activating your TryMyUI tester profile, giving you quick access to usability testing opportunities. Just follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Visit the TryMyUI website. Begin by visiting the TryMyUI website at www.trymyui.com. Once you're there, look for the Join as a Tester option, usually located on the home page. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Click on the Join as a Tester button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and any additional information requested. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 3. Complete your profile. Once you have signed up, log into your account. You will need to complete your tester profile. This includes providing demographic information and your testing preferences. Take the time to fill this out accurately, as it helps match you with appropriate testing opportunities. Step 4. Take the qualification test. To start testing, you must pass a qualification test. This test is designed to evaluate your usability testing skills. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the test carefully. Your performance will determine your eligibility for future tests. Step 5. Explore available tests. After successfully passing the qualification test, navigate to the dashboard to view available tests. Here, you can see the different studies you can participate in. Click on any test that interests you for more details. Step 6. Participate in usability tests. When you find a test you want to participate in, click on it to begin. Make sure to follow the instructions provided for each test. Gather your thoughts, provide honest feedback, and enjoy the process of helping improve user experiences. Step 7. Get paid for your participation. After completing a test, you will receive compensation for your efforts. Payments are typically made through PayPal, so ensure that your PayPal account is linked to your TryMyUI profile for smooth transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more informative content on usability testing and beyond. Happy testing!